Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Which of the following aqueous solution has the highest boiling point? Option A, 1 molar ammonium nitrate. Second option, 1 molar sodium sulfate. Third option is 1 molar potassium nitrate. And last option is 1 molar sodium hydroxide. If you know the equation, you can do this question very easily. Here we have to find the highest boiling point, right? So you write the equation for the elevation of boiling point. What is that? Elevation of boiling point delta TB is equal to boiling point of the solution minus boiling point of the pure solvent. Correct, right? So what is the equation for boiling point? It is boiling point of the solution is equal to boiling point of the pure solvent plus elevation in the boiling point. Now we know elevation in boiling point is equal to what? IKBM, correct? Molarity, right? Now substituting in this equation, what you will get? TB is equal to TB standard plus IKBM, correct? So if I is more, then TB value will be more. If 1 factor is more, then boiling point is more, correct? We can check each option, okay? Option A, NH₄NO₃. It undergo dissociation, what you will get? NH4 plus NO3 minus. So how many components after dissociation? 2, right? So what is I factor? I factor is 2/1. Correct, right? Now second, Na₂SO₄. Now what is that? 2Na plus SO4 2 minus, correct? So 1 factor is what? After dissociation, how many components are there? 3, right? 3 ions are there. 3. And before dissociation, it is only 1, 3/1. Now option C is what? KNO₃, correct? KNO₃. And what you will get? K plus NO3 minus, correct, right? What is I factor? See, after dissociation 2, before dissociation 1. So 2/1. And what is the last one? Last one is NaOH, correct? For NaOH, it dissociate to give what? Na plus OH minus. So after dissociation you have 2, before dissociation you have 1. So what is I factor? 2/1, that is 2. So for NH4NO3 it is 2. For Na₂SO₄ it is 3. For KNO₃ it is 2. For NaOH it is 2. Higher the I factor, higher will be the boiling point. So which one have maximum 1 factor? It is very clear that sodium sulfate has maximum value of I factor, that is 3. So definitely it will be having maximum boiling point. Hope you understand. So sodium sulfate have maximum boiling point.